Hey everyone, happy February 14th, that special day where we celebrate love and relationships. And what a wonderful day, but also can be quite challenging. There's that pressure of making that special occasion special. So why not plan another time? Leave a note card, start the process of planning a bigger, better trip at a later time. For most of us with the weather this year in 2025, we've got snowstorms, we've got, torrential rains, we got all kinds of crazy stuff going on. So find something cozy and local to do, but in your note card, think of things that your partner really enjoys. Is it seeing the fall colors in New England? Have you never experienced Maine and the coasts and the lighthouses? Maine actually makes a really good place to take a romantic weekend. You have these beautiful small coastal towns. You can stay in a cozy bed and breakfast. Or if that's not your thing, having someone, I know people have ideas about bed and breakfast, but they're not always like that. They're not all cluttered with old wallpaper and stodgy breakfasts and having to talk to people. There's so many different ways to enjoy your weekend with someone you love, even in a bed and breakfast or historic inn. And now you've got all of the properties on Airbnb. So take a look at Kennebunkport. That's my tip on this video. There's some amazing places in a lot of different price ranges. And sometimes you have to get a little creative. You have to do a lot of digging and research. Hey, and I understand busy. If you're too busy, I'm available. I've traveled to New England many, many times. I hate to say it's going on over 20 years now. So I have some ins, I have some tips and tricks up my sleeve, and I'll be happy to take on the challenge of helping to plan your amazing weekend, your week-long trip, or even just give you some free tips by phone. And my phone number is on my website. It's yourphototravelguide.com, or to keep it simple, fallphototrips.com, Self-Drive New England. Those are some of the ways to find me. Happy to give you some tips and pointers. In Kennebunkport, you might want to check out a place called Mabel's House. It's right on the water, really nice rooms, and there's a lot of great dining in Kennebunkport. And you're in close proximity to do a little bit of sightseeing, get into nature, kind of all the things that we all like to do, shop, whatever it is your interest may be. And it's kind of perfect for summertime or into fall. A lot of people don't think about Maine in October, but it's a beautiful time to go there. So that's my quick tip for today. Plan a trip, do something special, and don't take on all the hassle. Find a travel advisor that you connect with, a travel specialist. Not all travel advisors work with corporates. I'm an independent person. I literally share places I know and love, or do all those hours of research for you. So I can't show you my bookcase right now. It's really crowded and crammed, but lots of resources that I have every day at my fingertips for helping you plan that great getaway. So have a great day. This is April with Fall Photo Trips and Self Drive New England. Thanks.